everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back. And first of all, I'm going to have to apologize for my voice. I'm trying to get over a cold, so I'm a little bit congested and stuffy, so I'm sorry for that. But I was so excited to do this video, I went ahead and decided to just do it, even though my voice is still a little bit scratchy. So today, we are going to be working with some really fun kits. These are our decorating kits, and we have a couple in the shop, and then we have some more on the way. But this is our flower cart decorating kit, and then our library bookshelf decorating kit. And basically, it's just what it says. We're going to kind of decorate our cart or our shelf or whatever kit you have. And what we're going to do today is I've got some mounting tape. And I'm going to use this to give items a little bit of dimension, a little bit of a 3D effect. And we're just basically going to start layering things and decorating. There's no really right or wrong way to do this. We're just going to have fun and make something pretty. And when we're finished, you can use this as a journal cover, or you can use it on a page in your journal, whatever you want to do. So let's go ahead and start with this flower cart, and you guys can just follow along while I decorate, and then I won't have to talk so much and you won't have to listen to my scratchy voice. So to begin with, I printed everything on cardstock and I cut it out, and I actually used CRICUT for some of this to cut out some of the pieces, but you can hand cut them if you wish. Otherwise, we'll put a tutorial below for how to fussy cut on CRICUT. So this cart comes with some extra pieces here. And I'm actually going to cut off part of this because I feel like we don't need all these little pieces. They're going to be hard to stick down, but I supplied them just in case you want them. But I'm going to go ahead and snip off these thin little spots right here, this little handle and this little leg. And I think that'll work a little better for us. And then I'm just going to get some mounting tape. And I'm going to put the mounting tape kind of at the bottom of this thing, this little piece, because we're going to actually be putting some flowers behind it, and I want room to stick the flowers down inside of here. So I don't want any tape on this top part because I'll be sticking flowers back here. Okay, so now I've got my little cart assembled, and I'm going to go ahead and just add some containers. We've got little crates and baskets, and then I'm going to fill those with flowers, and we'll just keep embellishing this little cart to our heart's content. And of course, you won't be able to use all the pieces. It would get very overwhelmed if you did. But what you could do is print this again and make another one with a completely different set of flowers. You know, maybe you want to use just pinks and yellows, or maybe you want to use more butterflies and hanging flowers. You know, you can pick and choose and kind of make a new cart every time you do this. Okay, so I think I've finished this one, and you can see there's a lot of leftover pieces, plenty for making another flower cart if you want to. And like I said, you can use it on the cover of a journal, just like this. You can glue it on there and have a pretty flower themed journal. Or you could use it inside of a journal on one of the pages, just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and decorate one more together. So the next one we're going to do is this library bookshelf, and it comes with some really cute little bookshelf decorations and books. So let's go ahead and decorate. So this is my bookshelf. It's got some cute dimension to it, and again, it can be used as a cover or as a journal page. Isn't that sweet? And there's plenty of pieces left over to do another one if you wanted to. So check out these decorating kits in our Etsy shop, My Porch Prints on Etsy, and take a look at some of the newer kits that we also have for decorating. And we will see you guys next time. Bye!